With the Artlogic Management System, it's never been easier to create invoices and track payments. To view your invoices, navigate to Accounts in the navigation bar and click Invoices. This is where you can view all your invoice records. You can view the invoice number, the date it was issued, the client's name, the type of invoice, whether that be a sales invoice, credit note, or draft, the amount of the invoice was issued for, any remaining balances, and lastly, the payment status of the invoice. If an invoice has been fully paid, you will be able to see the date it was paid for complete transparency. You have the ability to sort your invoices by clicking Sort at the top and using the drop-down menu. You can sort by different categories, such as by invoice number in descending order, or the date the invoices were paid in ascending order. You can also perform a search in the search bar to quickly bring up what you are looking for. For example, you can search by stock number or client name. You also have the ability to perform an advanced search to widen your search parameters. As an example, you can widen the search by searching for a client name that begins with A. The system will then bring up clients whose names only begin with A. You also have the ability to save this particular search by clicking Save Form and adding a title of your choice. Then, when you next want to do this same search, you can click Load Form, and the saved search can be easily used again. By clicking Options in the Invoices table, you are presented with various capabilities. You have the option to edit your invoice, which will bring up an edit screen for you to change any details you wish. You can download your chosen invoice to a PDF or Word document. You can apply a payment to an invoice, and this will allow you to enter an amount the client has paid to contribute to the total amount. Afterwards, make sure to click Apply Payment. Clicking Payment History will bring up a record with the details of the invoice and a record of all the payments applied to the invoice, including the total received and amount unpaid. You can keep track of dates for accountability and write any notes if necessary. If you make any changes, always ensure to click Save. By clicking View in Accounts, you can view that particular invoice in that client's accounts records. There is also an option to raise a credit note for the entire invoice if appropriate. Finally, you can see a filtered view of just those artworks in the invoice by selecting View in Artworks. This will help you perform any searches or filters limited to those artworks in that view. However, by clicking Find in Artworks, you are able to perform an advanced search on all artworks in the system to find the artworks that are associated with that invoice. Any subsequent searches will perform a new search on all your artworks in the system. To create a new invoice, click New Invoice at the bottom of the screen. Moreover, you have the ability to export invoices to a spreadsheet. First, flag the artwork or artworks you would like to export, and then click Export to Excel at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a new tab where you choose what columns you would like to include in the spreadsheet by checking the boxes in the columns and selecting Show Selected Columns Only. When you are happy with the spreadsheet, click Export Selected Data, and this will export the chosen information into a spreadsheet for you. This concludes this video of understanding the invoice list screen in the Artlogic Management System. To learn more about your Artlogic database, be sure to watch our videos. If you have any further queries, please contact support@artlogic.net or visit our help website for more information.